In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a date in Microsoft Forms. Whether you're a teacher wanting to schedule a test or a manager organizing employee availability, knowing how to insert a date picker or even just a simple date field can be crucial for collecting accurate dates from respondents. Let's dive right in to see how we can add this to your forms in just a few minutes. First things first, open up your preferred browser. I'd recommend using a modern, updated browser to ensure you have access to the latest features of Microsoft Forms. Type Microsoft Forms into your search engine and hit Enter. This should take you to the official Microsoft Forms website. If you haven't bookmarked it already, this could be a great time to do so for quick access in the future. Once on the website, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your credentials, and if you're using a shared or public device, be sure to log out after your session to protect your information. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard displaying your existing forms, if any, or an option to create a new one. Now, let's add a date picker question to your form. Go ahead and open the form you're working on. You'll see the Add New button prominently displayed on the page. Click it to reveal a menu of potential question types you can add to your form. From this menu, you'll want to select the Date option. This action automatically adds a date picker to your form. The great thing about the date picker is its simplicity. It features a calendar that respondents can easily navigate, offering a user-friendly way to select the desired date without manual input errors. It's particularly useful if you want your audience to choose from a specific set of dates or simply need a straightforward format for collecting date information. If your requirement is to add a specific date rather than a flexible date picker, you can opt for a text field. Again, click on the Add New button. This time, instead of selecting the Date option, choose Text as the question type. This allows you to craft a question in which respondents will type in the date as their answer. You can manually enter a current or specific date into this field for reference. This setup is useful when you need to convey a fixed date to your respondents and you want them to acknowledge or confirm it. And that's all it takes. You've now learned how to insert a date picker and a specific date field into your Microsoft Forms. As always, remember to preview the form to ensure everything is working as intended from a respondent's perspective. Happy form creating, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to make the most of Microsoft productivity tools.